Today, on 27 October 2025, NASA just released the clearest image ever of 3I Atlas, and the entire scientific world is in shock. The photo, captured by the James Webb Space Telescope and cross-verified by ESA's Mars Express, shows details no one expected to see. The object's glowing core isn't behaving like a comet at all. Instead of scattering light randomly, it's pulsing, slow, deliberate, rhythmic, as if responding to something. Within minutes of NASA's release, the image spread across every major news network. Astronomers, researchers, and even casual skywatchers are calling it the most important cosmic discovery of the century. What has people frozen isn't just what the image shows, but what it suggests. 3I appears to be rotating with impossible stability, its spiral coma expanding in near-perfect symmetry. Data from both Earth and Mars confirm that it's releasing faint energy spikes near the 14.1 MHz hydrogen line, the same mysterious frequency where the legendary WOW signal was once detected. That single detail reignited a 50-year-old mystery, one that scientists thought was buried forever. Could this be a coincidence, or are we witnessing something that was meant to return? The timing, the alignment, the behavior, everything feels too precise to ignore. As images continue to come in, the world is holding its breath. Social media feeds are flooding with speculation, theories, and raw awe. Was 3I Atlas always a comet, or is it something far beyond that? A messenger, a vessel, or even a seed from another civilization? For the first time in history, telescopes across two worlds, Earth and Mars, are watching the same object from opposite sides of space. The question is no longer what 3I Atlas is, it's why now. Why, after half a century of silence, did something from the same region of the galaxy return, pulsing, glowing, and looking straight at us? For months, the world had followed 3I Atlas, the mysterious interstellar object racing through our solar system. Most of what we knew came from NASA. Their telescopes had first confirmed the object's strange speed and hyperbolic path, proof that it came from beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope analyzed its light spectrum, detecting traces of water vapor and carbon dioxide long before it ever neared the sun. NASA's early reports described it as unlike any comet or asteroid ever observed. Then, all of a sudden, the updates stopped. On October 7, 2025, while NASA's data channels went dark, the European Space Agency stepped forward. ESA released the clearest photos ever captured of 3I Atlas, taken not by deep space telescopes, but by the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter and Mars Express, two probes orbiting Mars that had never been meant for this kind of observation. To capture the object, engineers pushed their instruments beyond design limits, adjusting software, extending exposure times, and redirecting their communication systems to detect a target over 100,000 times dimmer than their usual focus. When the first image appeared, it stunned the control room. It showed a faint sphere of light, surrounded by a misty halo that shimmered against the blackness of space. The object didn't reflect sunlight like a comet. It glowed softly, as if something inside it was alive. ESA released the photo to the public within hours, describing it as an unexpected pattern of light behavior. At that exact same moment, NASA went completely silent. The high-rise camera aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, capable of the sharpest planetary imaging ever made, suddenly stopped transmitting data. No new updates appeared on official NASA channels. No explanation was offered. The shutdown of the US government was the reason given, but the timing raised eyebrows everywhere. To the public, it looked like two worlds colliding. On one side, ESA, transparent, open, sharing every image and every calibration file. On the other, NASA, silent, dark, and unreachable. One agency handed the mystery to the world, the other shut its doors. Even more curious was what NASA had last shown before going dark. Days earlier, the Perseverance rover had captured a faint streak across the Martian sky, believed to be 3I Atlas during its approach. NASA confirmed the sighting, but never released the high-resolution version. It was said that HiRISE could have captured the object with a clarity unmatched by any other camera in the solar system. But when ESA's photos appeared, NASA's feed froze mid-update. ESA, meanwhile, invited the world in. They published the raw data and even encouraged citizen scientists to process the images themselves. Yet hidden inside ESA's data was something no one could explain.